Nona here. Hope this finds you all well and healthy. Guess where I went shopping yesterday? Come on, guess. All right, I'll tell you. I went to Dollar Tree. Yep, I did. But today I had a doctor's appointment, my annual checkup, and you know how we all love doing that. And last week I had my annual mammogram. So thumbs up for me. I'm good on my mammogram, 6 years cancer-free. I'm good on my annual checkup for another year, thank God. And as a reward to myself, I went to Michael's today. Now, I don't go to Michael's very often because their prices are a little bit higher than budget Nona can afford. But I was right around the corner and I thought, you know, I deserve to go to Michael's and just see what they have. Well, one thing I got, which I can't show you because it's still in the car, and I got to have Grumpy Grandpa go down and get it. It's not that heavy, it's just awkward. I got a 5-drawer roller cart for my crafting supplies. I figure that'll be a lot easier for me to roll in and out with the crafting supplies that I'm using. Right now I have 2 huge bins in my master bedroom closet, and I have to carry them out and set them on the bed and rifle through them and get what I need. But sometimes I hit my arms on the door jambs and I get some really ugly, well, you probably can't, you can see it a little bit. It's almost gone, but I get some really ugly bumps and bruises. And I think a roller cart would be a lot easier if I put the supplies that I'm using the most often in this roller cart. So Grandpa doesn't know yet, but that's okay. So I rewarded myself with the roller cart. It was $30. And so I was real happy to get that. I think it was on sale, plus I had a 20% off coupon for things that weren't on sale. And I did pick up some other things, which I'll show you. I got this, which is a photo frame, and it was 99 cents. Now, I wouldn't have paid more than 99 cents for it, but 99 cents, and it has a little doohickey that it can stick up in the back. But I have a new, it's a painting technique that's been around for 100 years that I want to try. It's a new way of doing it that I've never done before, so I'm going to use this to try that. So I'm pretty excited about that, and there's enough surface on there for me to try that. And then, of course, they have a lot of Easter things out at Michael's, and I love looking at all their decorations. They're so cute, and I like to get some ideas. So I got this ribbon, and it was $3.99, and it's wired, and I love the wired ribbon because, you know, I am terrible at making bows, and as I always tell you, you can't be great at making bows and beautiful too. And there comes the call when I'm just going to hang up on it. Well, sugar, it interrupted my video, so I'll just continue on like that didn't even happen. So anyway, I got this ribbon, and I thought it was so cute, and it's only 3 yards for $3.99, but still, I just thought it was so cute, so I got 2 of it because I'm terrible at making bows, and so I need more ribbon than what the average person needs, and it's wired, and I love wired ribbon, so I got that. I thought that was really cute. Then the other thing I got at Michael's, which is the last thing I got at Michael's, but I thought this was a really great deal. These are Easter plaques. They're the bunnies, the wooden bunnies, and there's 10 pieces in there, okay? 10 pieces. See how cute they are? And they come with the twine, and there's holes in their ears, and I'm sure they're to make a banner, which I'm not gonna do because I don't make I don't make a lot of banners because I just don't have a fireplace, a lot of places to hang banners. But 10 pieces for $5, so 10 pieces for $5, which means they were only 50 cents a piece, if my math is right. I was never really good at math. But anyway, I thought that was a great deal. And so I picked up those from Michael's. So I was really happy about that. Oh, there I'm knocking things around. Okay, so then I went to Dollar Tree yesterday. And I gotta tell you, Dollar Tree is almost all out of Valentine decorations. I guess they think the crafters are done making Valentine decorations. But I scrounged around and I found these beautiful red and one bunch of white roses. Now, I really wanted the red ones, and I'll tell you, I really had to scrounge to find these red ones. And I know what you're all thinking. Nona, have you not made enough wreaths with roses? And the answer to that is no. Because I have made I've made like 4 wreaths so far. But one was all pink for my sweet, sweet daughter-in-law who is expecting a baby girl next month. And I didn't show that on video because I didn't want her to see it. Not that she watches my videos anyway. But I'll try and insert a picture of that one. And it has 3 hearts coming down that says it's a girl. And I used all pink roses for that one. And then I made one for my son, who is a bachelor, for him to put on his glass doors. He lives on a 3rd floor of an apartment. And so I always give him a neat, what I think is a neat craft to put on his glass door. Right now he's got Frosty the snowman face that I made out of a beach sun hat. Because I keep hoping maybe a girl will go by and think it's a neat decoration and come up and introduce herself and say, oh, who makes all your cute decorations? So far that hasn't happened, but you know, hope springs eternal. And then I gave one to Teenage Boy's girlfriend's mom, who was so kind. Well, Teenage Boy was quarantined to his bedroom when Grumpy Grandpa had the COVID-19 plague, and let them come over to their house and eat and spend some time. And then I have another one for Teenage Boy's friend's mom, who lets him come and stay at their house whenever Grumpy Grandpa and I go out of town and Teenage Boy doesn't want to go along. So most of the things that I make, I give away. So I still haven't made a wreath for myself, so I want to make one for myself. Okay, Colgate toothpaste. There's an exciting thing. Grandpa likes Colgate. Pretzels. Bought 3 bags of pretzels. I can't find the sourdough ones that I like, but these are okay. These are the pretzel rods by Benzel's. So they'll do in a pinch. Okay, I bought socks. Now these are for Teenage Boy's girlfriend. These are little heart socks. I made her, let me show you. You may have seen me make this. I made her a real cute little box, you know, using the crafts and burlap and the XOXO. And I got her this candy to stick inside, and then the hearts on a pick. And I'm just gonna roll the socks up and stick them into the box, and then I'll put some candies in there. So I thought that would be cute. Remember, I also made her this stuffed bear in a tin. And if you haven't seen these videos, I'll link them down below. And then I got myself a pair of knee-high socks that are gray with hot pink and light pink hearts on them. I like knee-high socks, and I like theme socks, and I always get myself a pair or 2 for the holidays, and I enjoy those. Also, I got a lot of cards, Valentine cards. I got, let's see, here's one for grandson. And then I got a couple, let's see, here's one for my husband. I thought this was real pretty. If you are not buying your greeting cards at, look, this is Heartline by Hallmark, 50 cents. And if you are not buying your greeting cards at Dollar Tree, you are really missing out because you just can't afford to buy them anyplace else. This is another heart line by Hallmark for another grandson. So I bought all kinds of cards there for different people for Valentine's. And they really have a great selection of cards, greeting cards, birthday cards, all kinds of greeting cards. And it really, for 50 cents. So it's a great deal. Okay, I'm gonna move some things around. I'll be right back. All right, I got this green foam wreath form that I'm gonna make. This is gonna be for me. I'm gonna use the red roses to make to use this green foam wreath form to make my own Valentine's wreath. I'm not gonna give that one away. That's gonna be for me. I got some paint brushes because I don't have any paintbrushes that are this size, and I went with that new painting technique I'm telling you about I want to try. You kind of need this size, so I got those. I got some more foam brushes because when you use the Mod Podge, even though I clean out the brushes immediately, they still kind of get hard and stiff, and you can only use them so many times. So I got a new set of those. I got a 3.5 by 5 black frame that I'm still gonna try to use that new technique. And then I got two of those, two 3.5 by 5 frames. And then I got a small frame that I'm gonna try and use. And then what I got to put in those frames, and then the small one, is I got these stickers. I really like this one right here. It says, "This is our happy place." And then I like this one, it says family. And I'm gonna try and get rid of that heart, or at least get rid of the glitter. And then I like this one, home is where the heart is, and maybe paint over the heart so it doesn't look real Valentine-y. So anyway, I like those stickers, so I thought I'd use those stickers with those black frames. And, the other thing I got is these notes. I'm always looking for plain blank notes. And Grandpa had some, and I had begged all of the ones that he had from him, and I really wanted some that were a little bit more feminine. He had puppy dogs. So anyway, I got myself 2 packs, and this pack has 8 notes with the envelopes, and this pack has 6 notes with the envelopes, and they are expressions by Hallmark, both of them, for $1. I mean, you just can't beat that price, I'm telling you. So I got those. Also, this is rather random, I got a bag of potting mix for seed starting. I just found it laying on a shelf. You know, I tell you always gotta look up, you gotta look down, you gotta look all around. Well, somebody had picked this up and just laid it down, and I didn't find any more. But at my sweet daughter-in-law's baby shower, one of the favors were packs of spring flower seeds. And so I brought several home because teenage boy likes to plant seeds. He's got these little pails that we got at Dollar Tree, and he likes to plant flower seeds in them and put them on his windowsill. So I thought this will be perfect. He can plant some seeds for the spring in those little pails, and here's some flower seed starting flower mix, okay? So I got that. Oh, and I found another roll of this beautiful red ribbon that I can use on my own rose wreath for Valentine's Day. It's sparkly and it's got the red hearts glitter. I just love that. And I found one more pack. I was so happy. I got a pack of pom-poms because I really need this big pink one that you see right there for an Easter craft that I've already thought about. I've already started to collect all the supplies I'm going to need, but the one thing I need is that big pink pom-pom. So when I saw those, I picked it up. I also got these false eyelashes. These are not the ones that I would ever wear. I used to wear false eyelashes all the time. I don't so much anymore because it takes me too long to put them on. But that's for the Easter craft. Okay, so and you've all seen these before. I've gotten them before, but I have one more project I want to make. These glass, I don't know whether it's a candy jar or a jar to make a candle. I've made candles out of them. And so I got one more of those. And then I bought some candy. Excuse me. This is Grandpa's favorite candy. Chocolate covered cherries, cordial cherries. I hate them. I mean, I hate them with a capital H, but he loves them. They were his mother's favorite. They are his favorite. He loves them. So I got him several, there aren't very many, 5 pieces. So I got him several boxes of Queen Anne cordial cherries. Don't tell him. He'll be so happy. He'll think he died and went to heaven. Then I got some hearts, different kinds of hearts. These are creamy caramel. Then these are chocolatey smooth, crisp and crunchy. These are Richie chocolatey candy. Like, we all need this candy, right? Yep, we do. More of the purple ones. Chocolatey, smooth, crispy, crunchy. You know, I just got all those. But see, what I had done, this is the one for the lady that lives upstairs. And you probably saw me make this little box. It's just the crate. I covered it in burlap. Hot glued the word love on there. And she is really good to teenage boys. She hires him to do minor jobs. And like, you know, take out the trash, clean out the litter box, bring up the groceries, help her put them away, all that kind of stuff. And she loves candy. So I got her some Godiva chocolate, some Russell Stover itty bitty hearts, some Russell Stover caramel covered in milk chocolate, some solid milk chocolate Happy Valentine's Day with the Peanuts character and a heart-shaped candy. And so this is one of the little, I always make her something. I made her a little winter craft, and I always make her something for each holiday. And this is one of the things that I made her, and I'm gonna have Teenage Boy take up to her because she's very good to him. So that is my Dollar Tree haul and a few things from Michael's. I think I did very well. Let me make sure I have everything. Yep, that was all of it. So, you know, there is a little subscribe button. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? It is free. I wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. If you like my videos, I would greatly appreciate it if you would give me a like. You can do that by hitting the like button. That's a thumbs up. I would appreciate it if you would comment, like, and share. Remember, I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I have a couple more Valentine DIYs coming up, and I have a winter tablescape DIY that you will not believe. It's coming up soon. You won't want to miss it, all right? I really appreciate all of you stopping by today and visiting with me. Please remember, be kind to everyone because there's a lot of crazies out there.